Hello, this is Shanna. I am going to be doing this video on me doing my planters that I currently have nothing in them, but I did grow some potatoes and some cotton and some ginger and wildflowers, and I don't remember all the other things, but I really like plants, as you can see. Well, you can't see it, but there's plants up there. And then the rest of the video is like animals. So I wanted to start like a zoo and like a wildlife zoo. So I was like feeding the wild animals, and right there is a container that has a bunch of birdseed in it. And yeah, I might have went overboard feeding them because now they literally trashed the place. Like it was bad. But I stopped feeding them because one of the raccoons like tried to climb up my wall and destroyed some of the siding, and there was blood everywhere. And I don't know if that was because he was fighting another animal or because he was like falling, because I put the birdseed up really high and gave him his own, but he was like a little greedy. He was a little, I don't know why I'm doing this with my fingers, but he was a little bit greedy and tried to climb up to get more. And that's when I'm like, okay, I need to stop feeding them. So I stopped feeding them, and it's been about a week. Nothing has come to the door that I know of. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. I feel bad because I had so many things that were like relying on me for food, I guess. But, you know, my dad didn't like it. He took a picture of a squirrel, and I was upstairs sitting in my mom's plants. Yeah, and like, you know, once they start like trying to get into your house, that's when it's like, okay, I need to stop like trying to have wildlife friends like I'm a princess or something. But, you know, this all could have been prevented if my dad would just let me get a cat. Like, this isn't good enough. I need a real cat. You know? Whoa. I've never seen a cotton plant in my whole life.
One time went way down to get a title or something.
I found cotton at the park. It has seeds in it. So you pull the seeds out like that. And oops. I'm gonna grow cotton. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what I got so far. These all gave me seeds. Look how many I got. That's crazy. I don't know how many I have. I think 12. I didn't really count. But then I'm going to put this napkin in water and put it in a warm place. And then they're going to sprout in 3 days, and then I'm going to plant them. I'm so excited. I thought I'd only have like 6 seeds, but I got like double that from just that little amount. And then I'm going to turn this into yarn. Yay! You stretch it and then you twist it, and then it becomes literally thread that you can make stuff with. And it's so soft too. So you take this and then you turn it in on itself, and you do this, and then you just keep spreading it, and then it's like making pie with all the layers, making biscuits. Oops, you don't want a hole in it though. they're done. I made 2 grow beds. It looks terrible because I ran out of trim, so I had to piece it together. They look good. And now I can put dirt in them and plant my plants. So I'm happy.
Rip this out.
Don't.
I ripped it out. Ava, no eating the plant. I need to refill that.
So I thought these were dead because I have not watered them all winter long. And I got them in winter, but check this out. So that's what it looked like. But underneath, you can see it's green because I pulled all the branches away. So hopefully they're not dead because this was, I think, a mum. And this was like a rose thing. I don't know, a bush of some sort. So hopefully they start growing and hopefully they're pretty because I would love to have greenery for my sitting area. I'm a terrible farmer. My strawberries died. This is lipstick. My poor strawberries. But at least the birds are eating the seeds. I gave my strawberries water and then they're coming back to life. It made me so sad when they were dying. But they're coming back to life. Maybe we need to give this one more water. This is my setup for my backyard. I love it so much. It's so cute. My brother got me this table and the chairs. Well, not these chairs. He got me these chairs. But then my mom had these chairs already, and then I got the cushion. And then I put the pillows. Those are not outside pillows. But I put them out there anyways. It's fine. I need to fill these up with plants and dirt and flowers. These birds better love me. Disgusting. As you can see, he wants to get out. So we're gonna release him now. He's so cute. this video, I have no idea what it's about. It's about like random stuff. Shanna Random. Yeah, that's why I picked that name, because I have no idea what I'm talking about most of the time. But I think there's plants in this video and like animals. Like honestly, I'm so tired. I don't even know what I'm editing anymore. I'm gonna be real. So I hope you enjoy the video. One of these days I'm going to start doing art, and I'm gonna start like arting so hard. You have no idea how much I want to just do paintings and put those and then make those and then film those and then give you guys good content. I swear it's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. I just have like 2 years of like backlog of videos, and I feel like I need to just get them out. You know how you like have to clean. You gotta clear your mind before you can start something new. Well, that's the point I'm at. So I definitely am gonna start doing art soon, because I do have videos where I'm gonna be doing journaling, or like I need to open this. So I have a lot of unboxing of Julianne Doodles, Peppercut Studios. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing unboxing videos soon. But I kind of wanted to do a sourdough video next. So bear with me. I know it's gonna get there. I will get to the art. I will start making art. I have some videos of like a thing I worked on my tablet. It's not good. It's not good. I'm not a good artist. I don't know why I think I'm capable of doing content, because I don't know. I just want friends, honestly. I want followers, but it's more like I just want to have a community of people that like doing art, and that's cool if you want to comment on my stuff, because I'm welcome to it, as long as you don't say anything creepy. Don't say creepy stuff. I got a husband here in my mind. It's not Satoru Gojo. Okay, we're gonna not talk about that. I don't want to talk about that.